YouTube, welcome to the shop. Thomas here. Got a new another HackerBox. Actually, almost doesn't fit in my frame here. It's HackerBox 0036 JumboTron. First thing I thought about when I saw the JumboTron was a giant 7-segment LED, because this is much larger box than typical. But who knows what we got in here. Let's see what we got. Where's my razor blade at? There it is. Actually, I don't need one. I forgot the didn't actually tape it. That's all right. Okay, what is that? That looks like a big old LED matrix. Actually, I'm gonna move this over here. What is that? I guess that is a matrix, isn't it? Well, that's interesting. That's pretty cool. That's actually quite large. I mean, that thing is quite large. So what we got here? We've got some cables to go with it, I guess. We've got two. Power supply, that's cool. Alright, so what else we got here? Oh, nice. I wonder what kind of games we'll be playing. I don't know about you guys, but I'm still like so far behind on these boxes. It's not even, it's just it's just ridiculous. But oh well. Open smart joystick control. That's cool. Focus. Okay. It's interesting. So I guess this goes on top of an Arduino as a shield, I think. What do we got here? Scissors. Wi-Fi. So ESP32. I think we've gotten one of those before, but not with Wi-Fi, I don't think. That should be interesting. Nice. Lots of wires here. And last but not least, all right, Atari. That's cool. I wonder if that's what it's going to be, a bunch of Atari games, probably. Well, that's pretty interesting. I can't wait to delve into this.